Alright, now this is what I'm talking about. Wash the dash, key in. Hold on, steering wheel's all locked. Turn the key, nothing. Nothing. No lights. Oh, my entire car just moved. I heard the gas move. That's weird. Pull that up because I don't know what's going on. Okay. Oop. I gotta show y'all the hood now. Yeah. Basically it for right now. Battery terminals, right here. It's all corroded in there. I don't know what to do about that. This one is completely destroyed. I don't know if that could be the problem. Oh, that's a brand new alternator, so I don't know if that's it. I don't have a cowl piece. Cowl broke it, and I don't know if any of that would cause any electrical type problems. But, yeah, just leave a comment. Thanks.